Oh, that first morning light. It's early.
It is, and the first thing I think about is coffee. Every single morning.
I know, right? It's like I can't start my day without coffee. My brain just doesn't turn on.
Exactly. It feels so important. So today, we thought we would explore that feeling. We'll talk all about coffee and why it feels so important to us.
And who knows, by the end of this episode, you might look at your coffee a little differently.
So find a comfortable place, maybe get your own warm drink, and relax with us. Welcome to Language Flow.
So, Melody, let's start there. What is your morning coffee routine like?
My routine, oh, it's very simple. I wake up, I go to the kitchen, and that is the very first thing I do, before anything else.
That word, routine, it means the things you do in the same order every day, right?
Yes, exactly. It's my little system to start the day. I have an espresso machine, so I love the whole process. Grinding the beans, the noise it makes, it's all part of my routine. What about you, Alex?
My routine is a bit faster. I use a simple coffee maker with a timer, so when I wake up, the coffee is already made. I just need to pour it. I am not a morning person.
That's smart. So you wake up to the smell of coffee.
Exactly. That smell, that aroma. It's the best alarm clock.
Aroma, that's a lovely word. It just means a nice smell, right? Like from food or flowers?
Yes, a pleasant, special smell. The aroma of coffee is just fantastic. And for me, that first cup is black. No sugar, no milk. Just strong black coffee.
Wow, you're brave. I like a latte. I need the warm milk. It's more gentle.
It's just what I'm used to. It's a habit. You know, something you do so often you don't even think about it.
Right, a habit. So your routine is the list of things you do, and the habit is the action itself that you do automatically.
Perfectly said. So let's talk about the big reason we drink it. Energy. We drink coffee because it helps us wake up. It gives us that little push.
That push, that feeling of having more power to do things, that's energy, isn't it? The strength to work or play.
Yes, and coffee gives you a boost of energy. A boost is a small help that makes something better or stronger quickly.
I like that word, boost. So in the morning when I feel slow, the coffee gives me an energy boost.
Exactly. And it's because of the caffeine, of course. Caffeine is the natural thing in coffee that wakes up your brain.
Right, but sometimes I worry, am I a little bit addicted to coffee?
I think many of us are. When we say we are addicted to something like coffee, it's usually a lighthearted way of saying we really, really love it and feel like we need it every day.
Okay, that makes sense. It's not a serious problem, it's just a strong habit. If I don't have my coffee, I can be a little grumpy.
Oh, me too. A little quiet and not very happy. My family knows not to talk to me before my first cup.
It's amazing how a simple drink can change our mood so much.
It is, and it's not just an individual thing. It's also about coffee culture. In different parts of the world, people drink coffee in very different ways.
Oh, that's so interesting. Like in Italy, an espresso is very common. People drink it standing at a bar very quickly. It's a fast energy boost.
Right, while in other places like Sweden, they have something called fika.
Fika, I've heard of that. It's like a coffee break, but more special.
Exactly. It's a real break. You stop work, sit down with friends or colleagues, have a coffee and a sweet pastry, and just talk. It's about slowing down and connecting with people.
That fika concept is fascinating. It makes me think about how this simple bean has traveled across the world and created such different traditions. Do you know much about the history of coffee?
I know a little, it's quite a story. The most popular legend takes us back to Ethiopia centuries ago. A goat herder named Kaldi noticed his goats became incredibly energetic after eating berries from a particular tree. They were practically dancing.
Dancing goats. I love that. So Kaldi, curious about these magical berries, tried them himself. He felt the same surge of energy and alertness. He took the berries to a local monastery, hoping to share his discovery.
And what happened at the monastery? Were the monks as excited as the goats? That sounds so lovely. It's more than just a drink then, it's a social event.
It is, and that brings us to another big point about coffee, the social part of it. Think about it. When you want to see a friend you haven't seen in a while, what do you often say?
Let's get a coffee.
Yes, let's grab a coffee sometime. It's an invitation to talk, to share stories. The coffee is just an excuse to connect.
That's so true. It's easy, it's casual. It's not as formal as dinner. You can meet for 30 minutes or 2 hours.
And coffee shops are designed for this. They're comfortable places. They feel like a second living room.
With nice music and comfy chairs, it's a place to relax. Which brings me to another feeling I get from coffee. Comfort.
Comfort, yes. Tell me more about that.
Well, comfort is that feeling of being safe, warm, and relaxed. And for me, a warm cup of coffee in my hands on a cold day, that is pure comfort.
I completely agree. It's a small, simple pleasure. It's predictable. In a busy, chaotic world, you know your cup of coffee will be there for you, and it will taste the same. It's reliable. Reliable. That's a good word for it. It's part of the comfort, knowing what to expect. Pause. It's funny, we've talked about energy and social life and habits for just one small drink.
Shows how important these little things are in our daily lives. So let's do a quick recap of what we've talked about.
Good idea. First, we talked about our morning routine, the series of actions we take to start our day.
And how coffee gives us a boost or a little push of energy.
Right. We drink it so often it becomes a habit, something we do automatically. And some of us might feel a little addicted, meaning we feel like we really need it.
Then we talked about the lovely aroma or smell of coffee. Then we also discussed how coffee isn't just a drink, it's about meeting friends and feeling comfort, that safe, relaxed feeling.
It's amazing how much is in one small cup. Thoughtful tone. So, at the start, you said we might look at our coffee differently. I think I will.
How so?
Tomorrow morning, when I have my latte, I won't just think I need energy. I'll think about the routine, the comfort, and the connection to people all over the world who are also starting their day with a coffee.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. It's a shared global experience. Well, I think my own coffee cup is empty now.
Laugh softly. Mine too. It was so nice chatting about this today.
It was, and thank you to everyone listening and joining our conversation. We hope you found it interesting and maybe a little helpful for your English practice.
Remember, every little conversation helps. Don't be afraid to practice. Maybe you can go to a coffee shop and order your drink in English. That's a great, simple way to start.
A wonderful idea. Keep learning, stay curious, and we'll chat with you again soon.
Bye for now.